Pearl Carson here with Wednesday Pants Arts and Media. Wanted to show you today two of my favorite things and how I'm going to put them together. Got a piece of fluid art here, and one of my new favorite things is using image masks. I really like this one, but it doesn't really quite feel done how it is. And so what I wanted to try out were some of these image masks to see what I would want to paint on it if I were to use some lines. And here, well, I got all of these masks in the first place. I'll show you from Mighty Deals, and they have bundles of these types of assets that are really affordable. And in this case, I wanted to use some of their hexagon shapes to see what I could be inspired by to work with myself. So I looked through the bundle and I chose a few things that I thought would work well, especially in a hexagon shape. And I've got my image here and I cropped it to my frame a little bit so that when I place things on, they'll look more realistic. And let's see what would look good if I put some shapes on. It's pretty neat looking. So maybe for one that's a little bit more uniform, it could look cool. This isn't bad though. I like it. It's going to be a lot harder to execute than some others because of all these angles, and covers up a lot of the original image. Maybe for a larger piece. These are so tiny. This is only about 2 inches per side, maybe not even quite. That's what I have to try. It's my last reference guide. These are all really dark shaded. They cover it up mostly. I really like the idea of trying something like this though. Number one, if it were just the lines, I think I can do that. Let's try it. You know, for this shape, rotation won't matter. No, because the line's always going to end up in the same spot. Okay. That's really interesting. Do I still like the other one better? Put them side by side. There are 3 rotations possible, right? Because this is the same thing. So we've got 1, 2, or 3. Sealed in black. Dark red? I don't know. What about dark red? Hey, that's kind of cool. Maybe a nice way to go. Not a bad idea. Let's see what else we got. Okay, I have an update here. I had looked at this painting a little bit more carefully. I was looking at some that I wanted to go to the next step on, and I want to pick a different orientation for this. I can show you why. It's a slightly better picture of this particular little tile, and when it's oriented this way, I notice it looks a lot more like a field with maybe some blossoming trees. I'm thinking about muting this white part a little bit because I think it enhances the effect. But let's look at these segments on this particular layout. So I was thinking then I was going to want it oriented this way. Oh yeah, that's gonna look so much better. I'm really excited about this. All right, it's perfect. Yes, this is it. All right, I'll get to you in the next video and show you my progress on finishing some of these little pieces.